Alright, what's going on everyone? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I'm doing is I'm going to show you all the best items to resell. Basically, I think I've made this video plenty of times before, so this might be like a part 3 or 4. I'm not too sure, but I've made this video plenty of times, and I'm basically showing you guys some items that are hot right now on the resale market that you guys can get or go find, or that you should look out for and purchase because they will go up in value, or they're going to be more valuable. They're easy to sell, that you can sell them fast. Like, these are the items you want to look out for in particular, and I'm just going to point them out in this vid, so hopefully it will be helpful for you guys. But yeah, you know, we're pretty much gonna get straight into it. So if you guys want more content like this, of course, let me know if you want me to take my channel more in the direction of like hustling videos, where I like hustle like streetwear, sneakers, different flips and things like that. Let me know if you guys want me to take stuff more like that direction. You know, I can definitely do that because that's the kind of content I think, you know, you guys enjoy more. And you guys can also go check my Instagrams down below if y'all want to, resale page or personal. I'd appreciate that, or follow on either or both. But yeah, don't forget also to subscribe below for more content like this, and drop a like in this video. I'm trying to hit 200 likes, and I'll do another part to this video. I'll drop some even more items that are hot right now on the market. Once I find out more, I'll make another part to this video. If we hit 200 likes on this one, definitely we'll do that. So yeah, that's pretty much all I'm going to say, guys. So I hope you all will enjoy, and let's get into discussing pretty much what are the best items right now that you can make money on, or just that are hot, really. I guess I'm just, you know, just... Okay, so the first thing that I noticed that's particularly like hot on the market right now is going to be Dior necklaces. Now, they're called Dior Trotter necklaces. I've been selling them on my reselling page, but also these are on a lot of different apps that kind of like have streetwear on them, like Grailed, Poshmark. I'm trying to think of other streetwear apps. Like there's a few that actually have these, some resellers, but these are pretty popular right now. A lot of people desire them, and you know, they're pretty easy to sell. I've sold like all mine in like under an hour, 30 minutes. Like it doesn't take long. Some have taken a little longer, but I've ended up getting good profit from them, so it's been worth it. Like I've made like 50 bucks in some of these. Like it's a little harder to get them for the low sometimes, but you can find deals. Like I recommend going on Grailed. You can definitely find some deals there that you can then resell, but it's pretty hard to find a deal. But look out for these. They definitely think they will go up. You know, it's just a little something. These are very cool, and you know, just I'm a big fan of this like style of necklace, and you know, I think a lot of other people are, and I recommend you guys look out for them because you can sell them for 100 plus also, and hopefully you look out, maybe you can find some for like 50, 60. It's pretty hard to find some for that, but if you can, maybe you can find some in good condition like that. But yeah, you know, these are fire, and yeah, don't be selling for lower than 100 because you can make big money on this. So, you know, the first little one that's hot right now, Dior, you know, Dior necklaces. The next thing I noticed that's really popular right now is pretty much anything to do with Travis Scott shoes, Travis Scott merch, tour merch. It's just anything to do with Travis Scott is popular right now, and it's been reselling pretty nicely since he's pretty much like becoming like an icon. And I mean, some of y'all can deny that. I mean, at least he's doing good with the resale stuff, and I think he's made a pretty good image, you know, in kind of like the modern game with like some of his shoes and all that. I think he's made a decent statement, not pretty much. But basically, when looking for deals online, I'd be very careful. Watch out for fakes. Again, kind of the same platforms I recommended before. You can find them on a lot of the same places. You can find good deals. Again, I recommend trying to get bulk deals when buying Travis Scott merch, so you can get a lot more for cheaper. So the costs are actually less than each one, so you can make more selling each one. Kind of like my recommendation, try and get more in bulk. If you can find some like that, it'll probably be harder, but if you can, do it. You know, basically, you know, just any of that kind of stuff's hot. You know, like any Travis Scott and the Virgil stuff, like those tees are very hot right now. Astroworld merch, of course, you know, if any kid's gonna want that. And you know, just anything Trav's hot. Like a lot of people like him as an artist, and a lot of people like what he has to put out with shoes and different things like that. So look out for his stuff. It's just it's what's selling, so don't deny it. You can't. Really easy to sell this stuff. I sold my pair of sales for like good profit in like 30 minutes. So yeah, easy to sell this stuff. The next item that's really good to sell right now would be Dior duffel bags or Louis Vuitton duffel bags. Basically, you can find some of these for cheaper, again, on those same apps I've been recommending as before. These are, again, really good on the market. People are always looking kind of like for these kinds of things. And, you know, a lot of people are looking for bags right now, especially since travel's starting to open back up. Like, you know, people are starting to just get back into the swing of things. Like, everybody's opening back up. You know, I just went to like a restaurant yesterday for like the first time in so long, and that was crazy. Like that was a weird experience, you know, after being in lockdown for so long. So like definitely be sure that you're getting these because it's easy to sell them. If you get them for low enough, I definitely recommend buying them for no more than 300 and try and get like the bigger size ones and try and buy this for like 300. And then, you know, if you have like smaller sizes, you know, you guys can DM me and like maybe I'll give you guys a price recommendation of what you should try to buy it for. Watch out for fakes in these also, tons of them, but you know, there's like less fakes in the bigger sizes, but there still is some, so be careful. But yeah, something else I'd recommend, Louis Vuitton and Dior duffels, always doing well. Just more expensive. And you know, I was gonna drop a fourth for this video, but I think we're gonna leave that for the next time, the part 4. So if you guys want that part 4, be sure to drop a like. And the reason I'm doing this is also because your boy doesn't have a lot of time today to make a video, and I'm sorry, but I can do a longer one definitely for sure next time with more items. And if you guys want a part 4, don't forget, hit 200 likes on this video, and I definitely will do that. So be sure you guys drop that like down below, and also subscribe if y'all want more content like this. Don't forget, be sure you guys let me know if you just kind of want more like videos around like hustling and stuff like that, because I feel like a lot of people are interested in that and like ways to make money. I can definitely make videos on that and that type of content, so let me know down below if that's what you guys enjoy most on the channel. So yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say. Follow me on IG down below if you also want to. Check both those out. And yeah, that's all I gotta say. So I'm Tristan. Thank you all for watching, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next vid. Peace.